Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix After Effects login issues, Creative Cloud errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with After Effects, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable network. Next, restart your computer to refresh your system settings. After rebooting, launch the Creative Cloud application again. Make sure you are using the latest version of Creative Cloud. If not, update the application from the Creative Cloud website. Once updated, attempt to log in again using your Adobe ID and password. If you still encounter errors, clear the cache for the Creative Cloud app. To do this, open the app, go to Preferences, and select the Account tab. Click on Sign Out and then sign back in. Check if your Adobe account is active by visiting the Adobe website and logging in there. If you can log in through the website but not the app, consider resetting your password. Once you've reset your password, return to the Creative Cloud app and log in again. If problems persist, disable your firewall or antivirus temporarily, as they may be blocking the connection. Reconnect to the internet and try logging into After Effects once more. If the issue remains unresolved, uninstall and reinstall the Creative Cloud application. After reinstallation, repeat the login process. If you continue facing challenges, contact Adobe support for further assistance. Be sure to have your account details ready to expedite the help process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and get back to using After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.